Is that on? Is that live?
Roll. Let's see why I got into it.
Carl, I got to know why you got in the credit business.
It might be more interesting why you got in the business, but let's talk about this.
Let's hear it out.
Pretty simple. I'm in the mortgage business for 10 years,
Okay.
98 to 2008.
All right, cut the
Fantastic.
tape. That was it.
Good. Guys, you have to be real. You got to be real.
Yeah. All right. So you're in the mortgage business.
I'm in the mortgage business from 98 to 2008. Everything takes a crap in 08.
Yep.
I try my hand in credit repair. A couple months, I'm like, man, I don't like this. This was easy when people were handing me portfolio deals. I try to get back into the mortgage business. This is the God's honest truth. I've never done a drug my entire life.
Well,
a
you
lot
better
of
start.
people. Is that a good idea?
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Turn it off.
Right? Never did a drug. A lot of people tell me not to tell this story. It's
Okay,
interesting.
tell it.
Never did a drug my entire life. I go to take a drug test to get back into the mortgage industry, and I can't fill the cup up. So the girl goes, just come back tomorrow, Mr. Scaramuzza. No problem. I come back the next day. On the way in, I get a call from Human Resources at the mortgage company. Mr. Scaramuzza, we suspect foul play because you didn't do it the day you were supposed to. We can't have you back. So what it did was, remember, people out there are like, don't tell that story.
Why not?
That's being real. It's a fantastic story.
Yeah.
It forced my hand in credit repair, and I had to learn this business, right?
Wow.
So that is what got me to where I'm at right now. That is my journey getting here.
So
now,
basically, you have trouble urinating.
that is if there's a
And that's all I got.
If there's a moral to the story. That's it.
Have you looked into that? Because prostate cancer is the number one.
Right.
The number one.
And that's just being real, right? I mean, that's just people like, don't tell that story, but that's absolutely true. That's how I got it. And then I found my passion. This is what I love to do. I love helping people. It's been 10 years of credit repair, and I think I got it. I think I'm pretty close to figuring out the algorithm.
I think you're pretty close to doing it. I'm inspired right now.
I'm damn close.
So,
Right?
in the last 8 years, you've been in the business 8 years, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What are the top 3 things that you learned that we can maybe translate that to the audience?
Ooh, number one, hard work. Okay, you're not going to build a business overnight. I listen to Gary Vaynerchuk. He talks about what you should do is provide massive value for 6 years, not ask for anything, and then you could try to monetize it after that. So that comes with hard work. Okay. Number 2, I would say trial and error. I mean, that's really big. Like no one has this algorithm for SEO.
Yeah.
They don't know the whatever.
Well,
Google,
the FICO,
Facebook,
we don't know that, right? I learned that from you.
Right? It's trial and error. So trial and error, there's a lot of times from day one when we open the doors that someone's scores went the other way. Like, oh shit, don't do that again. Let's try this.
And you stopped doing that last week, right?
And I just learned this in the last
So hard work,
week.
play
Hard
the long
work.
game.
Yep.
What's the last one?
You got to surround yourself with good people, energetic people, and you
Except
know right
today?
away. With the exception of today.
The hell
But
happened?
you really know right away, right? When
Yeah.
you get around someone and you feel their energy and you go, I want to be around these people, right? So
I thought it was her mess I'm wearing.
that's it.
Woo! All right, so I'm inspired, and I'll leave you with this. I got a quote for this. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's business partner, together they built hundreds of billions of dollars of wealth for not only themselves, but their investors over the last 40 years. And they said, the other day I was watching Charlie Munger, he said, every day, sometimes the tide is going against us or with us, but we're focused on consistently swimming and being better every day. We're not looking to predict the next day's tide because we're playing the long game. And that really resonated with me, and that made me really think about your story. It's like 8 years ago, you had a decision. You were either going to be bitter or you're going to decide to get better at something else. And I just like you more now.
Right.
You got to tell the story. All right.
You want to hug it out?
Kyle, let's hug it out. Yeah. Woo!